Just how unhealthy are the fish, crabs, and eels in the lower Passaic River? Scientists are capturing and studying them to find out. A research team is spending 60-hour work weeks on the river, one of the state's most polluted waterways, and a federal Superfund site known to be contaminated with dioxin, mercury, PCBs, and other toxic chemicals. They will collect fish until mid-September.
This is the processing boat, so we typically gather all the fish after the pontoon boat deploys the gear and retrieves it, and they collect all the fish and bring it to us. There's a third boat, which is this John boat, that actually sets out a series of traps. They collect their catch for the day, and then they bring it to me, and I process it as well. Processing entails taking length and identifying it to species, and then bagging it and taking it back.
Maybe the fin is probably eaten or something. They look healthy enough. They're good color. They're big.
While eating fish and crabs from these waters is prohibited, people are known to fish here anyway, and part of the study will look at the health risks these fish pose to humans. The study is being paid for by a group of 73 companies considered potentially responsible for the pollution here, and is part of a larger, comprehensive look at the state of the river. Off the river, the scientists work in a makeshift lab in East Rutherford. There, the specimens are stored for shipment to a lab in Massachusetts, where their tissue will be tested for a wide variety of chemicals. Some of the fish are checked inside and out for abnormalities like tumors.
It was caught with a gill net, so there's some damage from the catching process, but other than that, it's pretty normal so far. The general health of the fish that we've caught is comparable to other Superfund sites that I've worked on. The body cavity, normal.
Later this year, scientists will collect samples from mudflats and data on water and sediment movement in the river. They also plan at some point to look at the impact of fish contamination on the bird population. Whatever the state of these fish, progress should be made soon on river cleanup. Next year, a major $45 million project is scheduled to begin on a section of the river. 40,000 cubic yards of contaminated sediment will be removed from the riverbed near the former Diamond Alkali plant in Newark.